look at what works and what could be better, all through the lens of our 6 PLG principles.
I lost all my hearts. Terrible.
Guys, I'm having so much fun.
Look how many times they had that pop up. That's so scary.
I did have broken pop-up experiences.
This is where I think it gets tricky with HubSpot, is now we need to get back somehow and find that chatbot. Given that I land on the templates for ideation and brainstorm, right? So time to aha moment fast.
I don't necessarily agree that it was an aha moment for me.
We're already learning Japanese. Amazing.
And I'm excelling at it, mind you. So
you're just winning all the way through. You're like, I'm a winner. I'm good at this. When actually this is, probably at like a first grade level, right? But it still feels good. It still feels good.
below that. That's why I'm here, Laura.